To nest Match in Index, click the Lookup and Reference button, Formulas tab, Function Library Group. Choose Index. Select the first argument list, Array, Row Num, Column Num, and click OK. For the array argument, type the cell range in the worksheet. Click the Row Num box, click the Name box arrow, and choose Match. Select the cell with data to be located and matched as the lookup value argument for match. Click the Lookup Array box, type the cell range in the worksheet. Click the Match Type box and type 0. Click the Name Index in the formula bar. Click the Column Num box, click the Name box arrow, and choose Match. Type the cell with data to be located and matched for the lookup value argument. Click the Lookup Array box and type the cell range. Click the Match Type box and type 0. Click the Name Index in the formula bar and click OK.